Get a little bit of overspin when you're polishing like I did on the other side. Definitely can make a difference. As you can see, huge difference between the two. So I wanted to make sure we had a really good clean kind of before and after so we know what we're looking at. And so that makes sense. You can see a little bit of polish and wax overspray through here, or overspin, excuse me. So car looks good. It can look better, which is why I'm doing this. Okay, so I've pushed the car out into the driveway and we're gonna clean all of the plastic surfaces. And anything that's pretty much black plastic that you can see, front bumper, the door guards, the lower rocker panel, all of these things are what we're gonna work over. And so we're gonna use the Tuga Plastic Devil plastic cleaner. We're gonna spray everything down. B pillars as well, C pillar back there. Like I mentioned earlier, I've scuffed them up. It's one of the big reasons why I want to do this. You know how much I love my E53 and really want to keep it as maintained as possible, looking brand new as possible, and she looks good. So this is a really logical thing for me to do. So using this, they say you can do it a couple of different ways. You can put it on a sponge and wipe it on. And if you're in a closed, enclosed space, that's probably a good idea. In this case, I'm going to spray on, especially with big surfaces like the front bumper, I'm going to spray it on, wipe it, and then I use the hose, because they say you can either use clean water or a damp sponge to wipe it back off, because we don't want any residue. So I'm going to go through and clean all of these surfaces.